Hello students, welcome to the 10th lecture on the topic differential equation. So in this lecture, we will talk about second method to find the particular solution of the non-homogeneous differential equation. So what is the second method? That is called as method of variations of parameters. So let us start with learning this methods of variations of parameters. So I have written the heading that method 2 to find the particular solutions of non-homogeneous differential equation, that is called as methods of variations of parameters. So I'll write down. So I will call it as MOVP in shortcut. So for learning this method, let us consider one non-homogeneous differential equation, that is y double dash plus px y dash plus qxy is equal to rx. So till now you have learned method of undetermined coefficient. So in method of undetermined coefficient, what were the things you noted? That first, that p and q should be, or I'll write down, must be constant, and secondly what you have observed, that rx should be of some simple form only. So these were the limitations, or you can say that these were the shortcomings of undetermined coefficients. But in methods of variation of parameters, which we are learning now, has no such limitation, provided that the general solution of the homogeneous differential equation, that is, if we know the homogeneous solution of the homogeneous differential equation, this is equal to 0, we can find out the solutions of the variations of parameters. We will talk about some shortcomings on the later stage. So in method of undetermined coefficient, you have already seen that these were the restrictions. So I'll call this as equation number 2, because we need to find out the particular solution for non-homogeneous differential equation. So we will consider a non-homogeneous differential equation like this is given in equation number 1. I have written the same thing as I have written in equation number 1. So if general solution of this, that is the homogeneous part, this will be qx into y is equal to g, this is homogeneous differential equation, is yg is equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2. Suppose that you solve the homogeneous differential equation and you got the general solution like this. Then the particular solution by MOVP, that is method of variation of parameter, is given by yp is equal to v1 y1 plus v2 y2. This is the function of x. Now just see what you have done. You have found out the general solution for the homogeneous part. Okay. Then what you have done? You have replaced the c1 with v1. And here you replaced c2 with what? With v2. So now you have to find out this v1 and v2 to find out the particular solution. And what will be the general solution for this equation number 1? What will be the general solution? That will be yg plus yp. So let us see how we can find out this v1 and this v2. There is one simple formula. I am not going to derive the formula of this, how this v1 and v2 is achieved. I'll just write down key here, where v1 is equal to minus of y2 rx divided by Roskian of y1 and y2. You already know how to find out the Roskian. And what is v2? This is y1 rx, again rx, divided by Roskian of y1 and y2. Just to see the difference here, when I will find out this v1, I am using y2 with the minus sign. Okay, and when I am finding v2, what I am doing? I am using y1, and this quantity is same in both of this v1 and v2. So it's simple, just find out yg, replace this c1 and c2 with v1 and v2 and find out v1 and v2 with the help of this formula. So let us now move on to solve few questions based on variation of parameter method. So this is my example number 1. Solve the differential equation y double dash plus 4y equal to sec of 2x. Method of variation of parameter. So now what we need to do is that we need to find out the general solution for the homogeneous differential equation. So this is y double dash plus 4y is equal to 0. I call this as equation number 2. So now you know how to solve it. We will find out the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is given by m square plus 4 is equal to 0. This implies that the roots are m is equal to plus minus 2 iota. So now what will be the general solution? Therefore yg will be what? C1 cos of 2x plus C2 sin of 2x. Now I will write this as C1 y1 plus C2 y2, where y1 is what? Cos of 2x and y2 is what? Sin of 2x. Now you know how to use method of variation of parameter to find out the particular solution. So I'll write down step 2. This was my step 1. Find the general solution. And now my step 2 is I'll write down yp as what? v1x into y1 plus v2x into y2, where v1x is equal to y2 rx divided by Roskian of y1 y2, and integrate this with minus sign, and v2 is what? v2 is y1 rx upon Roskian of y1 y2 into dx. So let us write down the Roskian. This is cos of 2x, this is sin of 2x, this is y1 and y2. Okay, so I'm just finding out the Roskian of my y1 and y2. So what will be this into? This will be derivative of cos 2x, that is minus 2 sin of 2x to cos of 2x. So this will be equal to 2. And now we will find out v1 and v2. So what will be v1? This is minus of y2. Now just see what is my, this y2 is what? Sin of 2x. So I'll just write down sin of 2x into rx is what? Rx is this sec of 2x, secant of 2x divided by, we found out the Roskian. So when you will integrate this, you will find out easily, you will get this value. Now let us find out v2. So I'll write v2 x is equal to what? y1. What is our y1? Just see, this is our y1. So I'll just write down y1 is cos of 2x into rx is again this upon Roskian, and when you will find integrate, because this is, then this will get cancelled out, and whatever you will get is equal to this. I have left down dx, so you will get half of x. So what will be your yp? Yp will be 1 by 4 cos of 2x into cos of 2x plus half x sin of 2x, right? So therefore, so the general solution of non-homogeneous differential equation 1 by method of variation of parameter is what? yg plus yp. So here yp, I will write for my simplicity that here yg is given by equation number 3 and yp is given by equation number 4. Okay, so let us do another question, example 2. So I have a differential equation this, and I want to solve this by method of variation of parameter. So I'll solve by method of variation of parameter. So let us see the solution. So again, for the step 1, what we need to do? We need to find the homogeneous differential equation. So this is the homogeneous differential equation. You will just make this as 0. You will get the homogeneous differential equation. So what is the auxiliary equation? This is m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. This implies that m is minus 1 and minus 2, and therefore what will be your yg? Yg will be c1 e to the power minus x plus c2 e to the power minus 2x. So now by method of variations of parameters, what you need to do is that you need to convert this c1 into v1 and C2 into V2, and then you will find V1 and V2 to find the solution, where Y1 is e to the power minus x and Y2 is e to the power minus 2x. Okay, so by method of variation, this is my step 2. I'll just write down Yp is V1x Y1 plus V2x Y2, where again you need to do the same thing. You need to find V1, which is equal to, I just write down directly, this is y2. This will be y2, that is e to the power minus 2x into the Roskian. Just find out the Roskian. You will get this, and then e to the power minus 3x dx will give you e to the power 2x. So if there is any confusion for the Roskian, just take a look how we can find out the Roskian. Roskian of y1 into y2 is equal to e to the power minus x, e to the power minus 2x minus e to the power minus, this is the derivative, and this 2 e to the power minus 2x. So if you find out the determinant, you will get minus of e to the power 3x. So this is the Roskian. So I have written Roskian over here directly. Okay, so you can see this is my Roskian. Now what will be my v2x? This will be integration of e to the power minus x. This is my y1 into r of x upon Roskian, that is this only. So I am getting the Roskian. After putting all the values, I am getting the value of integral as minus 2 by 3 e to the power 3x. So now we can find out the yp. So my yp is equal to v1 y1 into v2 y2, which is equal to e to the power 2x e to the power minus x plus e to the power minus 2x minus 2 by 3 e to the power 3x. So this is half e to the power x, and therefore the general solution of given non-homogeneous differential equation is yg plus yp, that is c1 e to the power minus x plus c2 e to the power minus 2x plus 1 by 3 e to the power x. So this will be the solution of our required question. Now let us see another example. This is a little bit different from the previous two, so just have a look. This is my example number 3. Here my question is, you need to solve the differential equation this by method of variation of parameters. Okay, so you can see that this is not of the Euler-Cauchy form. So before solving this, you need to reduce the equation into the standard form. Here I have told you how to use the method of variation of parameters for this standard form, right? Your equation, see this equation number 1, you have the coefficient of y double dash as 1. So whenever you are not getting the equations of this form, see here the coefficient is not 1, you have to reduce the equation into the standard form. So I'll just write down, first of all we will reduce the equation into the standard form. Standard form means the coefficient of y double dash should be 1. So here after dividing, what will be, therefore our equation will become like this. So I'll call it as equation number 2. So here you can see that my px is 0, my q is what, minus 4, qx is minus 4, and this is my rx. So now the homogeneous differential equation is given by y double dash minus 4y equal to 0. So the auxiliary equation is given by m square minus 4 equal to 0. This imply m is equal to plus minus 2, and again what we need to do. So my yg will be c1 e to the power 2x plus c2 e to the power minus 2x. So this is my equation number 3. I'll call this as. Now you know that when we use method of variation of parameters, write yp as v1 y1 plus v2 y2, and here I will call this as y1, this is as y2. So where again I am writing v1x is equal to what, minus of y2 into rx divided by Roskian of this, and v2x is equal to what, integration of y1 rx divided by Roskian of y1 y2 to dx. So now first of all let us find out the Roskian. So you can see that easily my Roskian is minus of 4. So now what is our next aim is to find out this v1 and v2 with the help of these two formulas. So let us find out. So my v1 will be equal to integration of e to the power minus 2x e to the power upon 4x into dx. What I did, this is my minus of 4, right? So what I did here we have minus sign, so I made it plus. So after integrating, what I am getting? I am getting 1 by 4 ln of x. Now let us find v2x. This was my v1x. Let us find v2x. This will be equal to, so now you can see that it is not solvable, so we will keep this expression here itself. So this is one of the drawback of method of, or you can say the shortcoming of method of variations of parameter, when you find that integral becomes very difficult to solve. So this is the shortcoming. So I will write my yp as half ln x e to the power 2x minus 1 by 4 integration of e to the power 4x by x dx into e to the power minus 2x. We will call this as equation, I will just see equation number 4. So what will be the general solution of the non-homogeneous, therefore of non-homogeneous differential equation? 1 is yg plus yp. So here we are getting yp, and over here we have already found out yg. So from equation 3 and 4 you can put the value of yg and yp, and you will get the general solution of the asked non-homogeneous differential equation. Now I will be giving you few examples or few questions for practice, and I'll write down the answer also. You just need to check that whether you can solve it or not. Okay, so these are the 3 questions and answers. I'll write it over here. This will be c1 cos of x plus c2 sin of x minus x cos x plus sin x into ln of sin of x. Okay, so this is the first answer. Now the answer of the second one is, this is c1 e to the power x plus c2 e to the power minus x minus e to the power x sin of e to the power minus x. This is answer number 2, and the answer number 3 will be, for this find only yp. So my yp is 1 by 10 e to the power minus 3x. I'll give another question for finding the yp, question number 4. This also you need to just find out the yp. Here also I'll write find only yp. So here the answer is minus, your yp will be equal to minus of e to the power minus x 8x square plus 4x plus 1. Now let us solve few questions of Euler-Cauchy, that is non-homogeneous differential equations. Non-homogeneous differential equation form of general Euler-Cauchy differential equation. So I'll write down the examples and then I'll solve them with the help of the either variations of parameters or either by method of undetermined coefficients. I will write down what to use in the given example, and by doing the example I'll explain you, if you find out this type of, like if it is Euler-Cauchy differential equation and it is non-homogeneous also, then how we can solve it. So the question number 1 is, find the general solution of the differential equation x square y double dash minus 2x y dash plus 2y is equal to x cube cos of x by method of variation of parameter. So let us see how we can solve. So as you know, you can see that this is the form of Euler-Cauchy. So what you need to do is that convert the entire equation by the substitution, and you already know how you can convert this type of differential equation into the equation with the constant coefficient. So let us take the substitution. X is equal to e to the power z. This implies that z is equal to log of x. So what you will find out that you are getting x dy by dx is equal to dy by dz, and x square d square y by dx square will be equal to d square y by dz square minus dy by dz. So now what we have to do, we have to put this substitution over here, okay, and this substitution over here. So after putting this, what we are getting, we will get d square y by dz square minus dy by dz minus 2 dy by dz plus 2y is equal to e to the power 3z into cos of e to the power z. Now see that here also you need to convert the equation. Here you need to put x as e to the power 3z and cos of x as cos of e to the power 3z. So what we have done, we have changed the entire equations into the variable y and z. Here we don't have x in this equation. We have changed the independent variable x by the independent variable z. So you can see that here my equation is this. So I'll call this as my equation number 2, and this I'll call this as equation number 1. Just what you need to do is that now you proceed as we were doing previously. So here again we will find out the homogeneous equations. So here the homogeneous differential equation is d square y by dz square minus 3 dy by dz plus 2y equal to 0, and the auxiliary equations will be m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. This implies m is equal to 1 comma 2, and so my yg is c1 e to the power z plus c2 e to the power 2z. Now see here I have used the variable z. Finally what we will do, we will convert this into x. We will not leave the answer in the variable z, but we can do it at the final stage, because here we need to be in z variable only for solving for finding out the yp. So I'll just write down now for particular solution by method of variations of parameter. What we need to do, we need to find out yp is equal to v1 y1, and write down y as a function of z, and this as y2, where y1 is e to the power z and y2 is e to the power 2z, where we already know what is this y1 and y2. So I'll just find out the Roskian. This is what, e to the power z, e to the power 2z to e to the power 2z. Okay, so you can see that this is coming out to be e to the power 3z. So let us find v1 now. This is y2, that is e to the power 2z into rx, that is e to the power 3z cos of e to the power z upon e to the power 3z dz is equal to minus of e to the power 2z cos of e to the power z dz. So finally if you will solve this, you are getting minus e to the power z sine of e to the power z minus cos of e to the power z. This is my v1. So we will keep this as over here. This is our v1. Now let us find out v2. v2 is y1, then this is rx upon e to the power 3z. So here we are getting sine of e to the power z. This is our v2. So finally, what is our yp? yp is v1 into y1. So I'll just write down directly and see that whether if we are getting something in smaller form or not. So this is into e to the power z plus sine of e to the power z into e to the power 2z. So this is minus of yp is minus of cos of e to the power z into e to the power z, and hence what will be the general solution? Hence the general solution is yg plus yp. So now one thing you will see that I'll write this as in the function of z first, and then finally I'll give the answer in x and y. So this one I'll convert this into x cos of x. So this will be my final answer. This is my the general solution for the given differential equation. So the last question I will solve with the help of method of undetermined coefficients, and I'll give few questions for practice and then I'll end this lecture. So example second, this is again of the Euler-Cauchy form. So solve the differential equation 2x plus 1 to the power 2 y double dash plus 2 2x plus 1 y dash minus 4y is equal to 8x plus 4 ln 2x plus 1 by method of undetermined coefficient. This you have done in the previous lecture, this method of undetermined coefficient. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to use substitution. Since this is of the Euler-Cauchy form, so what you need to do, similarly use the substitution 2x plus 1 is equal to e to the power z. So here 2x plus 1 dy by dx will be changed into 2 dy by dz, and 2x plus 1 square d square y by dx square will be changed into 4 d square y by dz square minus dy by dz. So what you need to do is that you need to put the value of this over here and this over here. Okay, so putting the value, what you will get 4 d square y, the value in equation, I'll call this as equation number 1. I'm getting this dz plus 4 dy by dz minus of 4y equal to 4 e to the power z minus 1 plus 4z. Okay, so after solving this, these are the simple algebraic calculation, and after solving you will find you are getting the differential equation as this. Again you can see that here we don't have any x. Now your equation is converted into y and z only. Okay, so we need to solve this by method of undetermined coefficient. So again the same procedure, firstly we need to find out the general solution. So here the homogeneous differential equation is y double dash minus y is equal to 0. This implies that what is our auxiliary equation? Our auxiliary equation m square minus 1 equal to 0, and this imply m is equal to plus minus 1, and therefore our yg is what? c1 e to the power z plus c2 e to the power minus z. So what we have done, we have done our half of the work, that we have found yg. Now what is our next task? We need to find out, now find yp. Now here we need to use by method of undetermined coefficient. So here it is important that you know what is our rx. Okay, so this is my rx, and now we have to think about y. So at the first glance what you will see, that yp will be equal to a into e to the power z plus b into z plus c. right? Now you need to see that here I have told you that if the root, that is this is my a and this is matching the root of the auxiliary equation, so what you have to do, you have to multiply this with 1z. Okay, so you have to remember this, that you need to multiply, since one of the root is 1, or you can see that here also in Rx this is e to the power z, and in the journal solution also you are getting e to the power z. So in Yp you need to multiply this with 1z. So let us find out Yp dash and then Yp double dash, and then substitute to find A, B and C. So our work will be done. So this is our Yp double dashes. So now putting the values, so what we are getting, we will get 2a to the power z minus bz minus c is equal to e to the power z plus z minus 1. So comparing both, we are getting a is equal to half, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 1, and therefore yp will be half z e to the power z minus z plus 1. So here we have found out the yp also. So hence the general solution of non-homogeneous differential equation 1 is equal to yg plus yp. So I'll write down yg is, so this is equal to c1 2x plus 1, we will substitute, plus half ln 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 minus ln of 2x plus 1 plus 1. So this is our final answer. Now I will write few questions for practice. So the question number 1 is, solve this, and here your answer will be c1 x plus 2 plus c2 divided by x plus 2 plus half x plus 2 ln of x plus 2 minus 1 by 4 x plus 2 plus 2. So this will be the answer. And question number 2 is 2x plus 1 whole square 2x plus 1 y dash minus 12y is equal to 6x. So here your answer will be c1 by 2x plus 1 plus c2 into 2x plus 1 to the power 3 minus 3 by 8x plus 1 by 16. Okay, so this will be your answer for this question. You can solve both these questions by method of undetermined coefficient or method of variation of parameters. So it's your choice, or you can use both the methods. So I hope after watching this video you will be able to solve these both questions. Thank you.